Show me a fish. Let's see some fish.
Nothing for me. Nothing.
You.
I hope I can catch the walleye.
Walleye is Lake Michigan.
Yeah, I know. Have like.
Okay, guys. 8 hours from now, I'll be fishing. I can't wait. See you guys later. How'd that make you feel?
Makes me feel good. Get close to me and I'm gonna fuck you up.
Who, me or him?
Yeah, you.
Me?
Yeah.
Why, what are you gonna do to me? How long you guys been here?
35 years.
Open 5 to 5, right?
5 to 5 in the winter, 5 to 7 in the summer.
Nice. Hold it sideways with 2 hands. There you go. Put your other hand behind the face. So you can see. There you go. Nice. Where are you from?
Chicago, Midway area.
Okay, that's a nice one. Got any other big ones?
That's the biggest one. The other one's like 8 or 9 inches.
Perfect. My name ain't Eric.
Ali, how you doing today? All right. I want him to come out. I ain't seen him today.
Not much.
Where you guys from?
Huh?
Where you guys from?
Display.
Where?
Display.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe you catch the rest of them, huh?
Better than nothing.
Better than nothing.
Oh, we got a lot of little ones.
Hey, you can eat those too.
How's it going?
Good. How you guys doing?
Good.
You gonna keep that one?
That's something.
You gonna hold it up? Look at that baby.
Good one, yeah, ain't it?
Hell yeah, that's bait. Where are you from?
Right here.
Huh?
Right here, Chicago. This one in that for me.
There you go.
Right here, man. Right around this area. Inglewood area.
That's my channel.
Huh?
That's my channel.
Yeah.
YouTube.
Yeah, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Ren.
Rand.
They call me Trick Baby.
Trick baby.
I'm a snitch. Is this where they're at?
What's that?
Is this where all the fish are at?
Sometimes.
Does that jacket say Bone Dry?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's the name of a bar.
Bass Pro. Bass Pro. They're right here.
Trying to be selective about it, but this is what we're taking home today.
Where are you guys from?
I'm coming out from O'Hare.
Damn.
Oh, here? Yep.
Where'd you get your bait?
I got it at Henry's.
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 All right.
Yep.
Best bait around, or?